In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Salesforce report using Report Builder. Whether you're just starting out with Salesforce or looking to enhance your reporting skills, this tutorial will provide a clear and concise guide to creating reports quickly and efficiently. To begin, you'll want to log into your Salesforce account. Once you're logged in, locate the Reports tab in the main navigation bar. Click on it and you'll see an option to start a new report. This is where the real work begins. Next, you'll need to choose the type of report you wish to create. This will depend on the specific data you want to analyze. For instance, if you're interested in evaluating sales figures, you might select opportunities. Alternatively, for insights into contact management, you'd go with contacts and accounts. Once you've made your selection, click Continue to proceed. Now let's dive into the report builder itself. One of the first things you'll notice is the filters panel on the left. This is a powerful tool that allows you to set specific criteria for the data you want to include in your report. You can filter by various aspects such as date range or stage, making your report as detailed or broad as you need. Moving on to the outline panel, you can customize how your data is displayed. This involves dragging fields into rows or columns, depending on whether you're looking for a simple list or a more complex matrix layout. This step is crucial as it determines how the information is organized, helping you and others who view your report understand the data at a glance. Adding or removing columns is straightforward, thanks to the left panel. Here, you can search for specific fields and easily include or exclude them as necessary. This level of customization ensures that your report is tailored to meet the exact requirements of your analysis. If you're working with numeric data, you might want to take advantage of summary options. By clicking the drop-down next to a numeric field, you have the option to summarize the data using operations such as sum or AVG. Summarizing data provides a quick overview of important metrics and can highlight significant trends or outliers. Finally, once you're satisfied with how your report looks and the data it contains, it's time to save and run it. Click on Save and Run, enter a descriptive name for your report, and choose a folder where it will be stored. This not only keeps your reports organized, but also ensures they are easily accessible for future reference. After filling out these details, simply click Save, and your report is ready to be used. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a Salesforce report using Report Builder. With these steps, you can now harness the power of Salesforce's reporting features to gain valuable insights into your business data.